Hello Silicon Soldiers, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. If you've ever wanted to automate your mouse movements or just have some fun with Python, this video is for you. Today we are going to make a Python program which will keep your screen alive with completely random mouse movements. So without further delay, let's start the video. So, today we are making a Python script that uses the power of pyautogui, time, threading, keyboard, and random, these modules to create smooth and random mouse movements. Let's break down this script and see how it works. Alright, before we get into the code, let's make sure you have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have Python installed yet, head over to python.org and download the latest version. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Just click on the download button and follow the installation instructions. We will cover this in a separate video in detail. Once you have Python installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type python ---- version to check that it's installed correctly. Now, when we have Python installed, let's dive into the Python program. Start by looking at the imports. We've got 5 modules here: pyautogui for controlling the mouse and keyboard, time for adding delays, threading for running code concurrently, keyboard for detecting key presses, and random for generating random numbers for intervals. These imports are crucial for the script's functionality. Now, let's move on to the core part of our script, the moveMouseMoveRandom function. This function is where the magic happens. It generates random mouse movements at random intervals. First, we use a global variable running to control whether the mouse should be moving or not. Inside the function, we loop as long as running is true. We generate a random interval between 0.1 and 10 seconds, and then we choose random coordinates within the screen boundaries. The mouse moves smoothly to these coordinates in small steps, giving a natural motion effect. To achieve the smooth movement, we calculate intermediate positions and move the mouse in steps. After each movement, the script pauses for a random interval before starting the next move. Next, we have 2 functions, start mouse movement and stop mouse movement. These functions control the state of our running variable and handle starting and stopping the mouse movement thread. When start mouse movement is called, it sets running to true and starts a new thread to run our mouse movement function. The stop mouse movement function simply sets running to false, stopping the movement. Now, let's talk about how we control this script with keyboard inputs. We have an onKeyPress function that starts or stops the mouse movement when we press S or Q on the keyboard. This function listens for key presses and triggers the appropriate function based on the key pressed. It's a neat way to control our script without needing a graphical interface. Finally, we put it all together in the main section of our script. We set up the key press event handler and print instructions for the user. The script runs indefinitely, waiting for key presses to start or stop the mouse movement. This is where it all comes together. By pressing S, we start the mouse movement, and by pressing Q, we stop it. It's simple, yet powerful. And there you have it. A Python script that makes your mouse move smoothly and randomly, controlled by your keyboard. It's perfect for automating tasks or just having some fun. But use this wisely. Watch how the mouse moves smoothly to random positions. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? The whole code is on my GitHub profile. You will find the link in the video description. You can download and use the code as you want. Just clone the repo or download zip file and unzip that. Then install the requirements and use the keepalive.py anytime you want. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Python automation with pyautogui. And friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech tutorials and fun projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.